my, it's when this fall off. My June plum. Guys, I have to watch them, you know. This look like it fall off yesterday. So things have gotten a little wild around here. I have made some changes. This is where I am now able to get around to my plants a lot better. Going into spaces I couldn't before. So yes, I am growing a food forest in the city. It's a good look.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Hello, my gardening family. Ooh. I am so delighted to be here. It feels so good to be with you again. How are you all doing? I hope all of you are doing well, in the best of health. My voice is back. Yeah, to God be the glory. All right, so it has gotten a little wild around here. I've made some visible changes. Yeah, move things around a little. That's one great benefit of gardening in containers. It allows you complete flexibility. So crop rotation is not an issue with containers. Yeah. Welcome and welcome back to another Garden with Stacey. I am so delighted to have you all. Thank you all so much for tuning in. God bless you, one and all. I am just so happy to be here with you guys. That's all. All right, so I have some things I want to show you. My garden is gardening. All right, so let's show you some things. All right, let's go. I'm just amazed by this, and I just want to take your ear first because, all right, so you notice this? That's a pomegranate bloom gonna come out there, but little did I know that's how it. I didn't know this process at all. Are you see that little one right there? Look at that. Looks like a pomegranate, right? Yep. Yesterday I came out and I saw it, and I was like, well, I saw both of them, and I was like, pomegranate? How I didn't see any bloom? How that missed me? But then I saw this splitting, and I was like, it's so small and splitting already. It wasn't wide open like this, no, just little cracks. Just imagine the cracks that I saw just before it got to here. Let me focus. So literally right now it's open up, right? So I noticed that that is the bloom that is going to come out right there, and I thought this was like a little baby pomegranate. So now looking at this, thinking that it's a small pomegranate, I'm expecting to see it open up. So and look at the shell, it looks so hard. I really thought it was a pomegranate, but nah, just a bloom. But they look cute. Aren't they looking cute? Cream sausage tomatoes right here. Well, I assume that they are cream sausage based on the looks of them. I am so bad with labeling. So yeah, looks like I am getting some sort of beef steak right here. This looks like a two-color tomato. I am not sure what they are as yet. I just have to wait. What we have here, did someone say strawberry? Yep, that's strawberry right here. Look at this. This is my grafted grapefruit tree. I mean, look at these babies. I am so delighted to see them. I mean, I am so excited. I want to see so badly what they will turn out to be. I may have to stake it. Well, if you know grapefruit, you know that I'm going to have to stake it. So that's inevitable. But I can't wait to see what these babies will turn out to be. Look at my gungo. or pigeon peas. They're coming in so nicely, timely and nicely. Look at the bloom, so pretty. Look at this baby, guys. You remember when I stripped this baby, when 2 weeks ago, my mulberry tree? Well, I stripped both of them. This is the older one, right? Look at mulberry right there. Look here, guys. Remember, I usually get like a few each time it bear. No, I literally can't count. And look at here, look at your girl reaching up for mulberry. Yep. And I'm expecting more. The newer one, this is the main stem. No, there are not much on there. Look at the lizards. Guys, I've been trying so hard to brave up these days with the lizards, but let me see if I can still show you. There one go. Maybe there are more on there, but because of the lizards, I'm not gonna search it right now. Look at this papaya tree. Look at those branches, and there's a lizard right there as well. So you know, I am not getting any closer. Look at here. Look at here. Well, this one over here, I cut it off again. I didn't like how the leaves were looking, so I cut it off again. So let's see. Look there, guys. More lizards. I think I am now going to get eggplants. Yeah. Getting sweet pepper or bell pepper blooms like crazy. I just need for them to stick and stay. I get in them like crazy, y'all. I just need for them to stay. I have some more right here. I damaged a branch right here that had some. When I was shifting up, I was like, oh no. You see, I get in new ones and new buds. I just need them to stick and stay, and that's all. Look at here. Look at the stink bug. Can you imagine this little sorrel plant pushing out these little sorrels? Well, I can use them for tea. By the way, did you know that the sorrel tea, it has so many benefits? But trust me, it tastes so good. Look at this little cucumber vine right here. It is trying to give me a cucumber. I am so anticipating what it will turn out to be. If it will get further, fall off, whatever. No guys, don't laugh. But look at those two corn cobs. Oh Lord. Let's see what they will look like. This one don't look bad at all. It is looking the best. But let's see. Guys, you see my avocado tree for me? You see it? This baby is growing. And the Ote apple right beside it. Man, progressing so well. Ooh. Look at this baby. It doesn't matter what space you're in an apartment, the city like I am, on a little plot of land, you have a roof, anything, it doesn't matter. All you need is a little space, some containers, some soil, a little time, a little patience, and you can create your oasis to be whatever you want it to be. I mean, look at what I created for myself. And if I can do it, you can do it. I think what we need to do is to focus more on growing what we eat and eat what we grow, right? As we go from day to day. They will just grow with us. I mean, the joy that comes with eating your own food, knowing where they're from, know what's in the soil, how they grow. I mean, the joy is second to none because it's like it becomes a lifestyle and there's so much to look forward to. I mean, the surprises of the garden, you will love it. You don't have to worry about being a rookie or not having much knowledge. That is why people like myself, we are here to help you along and just to inspire and to encourage you. Because if I can do it, you can do it too. And if others are doing it, you definitely can do it too. We all started out somewhere. And I can tell you, nobody started out the way they are now. It's over time. Alright, so get with the flow, y'all. I am actually their secret admirer. I'll leave you here for today. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.